Hi and welcome back to the Geeky Workbench. For today's weekend build, we're turning this popcorn container into a trophy to hang on my wall. And for this I need to cut it into the right angle, sand it and prepare it for priming. So let's go. Okay, the T-Rex is ready. I cut it in an angle, I smoothed out the seam line, sanded her, and yeah, she's ready for priming now. And after priming, I can start working on the mount for the wall. I'll be cutting some wood for that, so let's go. So it's Saturday afternoon. The T-Rex has 2 coats of primer now because I had to smooth out the seam line again and then cover it with a second layer. But now I think it's quite okay. The mounting plate is done and it fits quite well, I think. So next steps are base coat for the T-Rex, mounting pieces for the wood, and then oil wash for the mounting plate. Good morning. It's Sunday, the second day of the weekend build, and yeah, the T-Rex has her base coat. The mounting plate is nearly done. There were some rough spots I need to work on that came out after the oil wash, so I'll do that later. And most importantly, paint the T-Rex, add the details, and then I should be ready. The T-Rex is done. I glued it to the mount and now I can introduce you to Gloria.